Alright guys, how's it going? So I was being very productive today and I was browsing Twitter. And the Blender Sushi guy retweeted a very simple node setup, and it uses the object info placed in with a colour ramp to give you this kind of randomness colour on the object. So I thought I would recreate it here in Blender. So we'll spin the default cube of mystery. Ooh. And I'm going to add in another mesh, so I'll press Shift and A and we'll add in a monkey. Why not? And I'll probably scale this down a bit by pressing S. The next thing I'll do is I'll select the cube and I'll come to the Physics tab and I'll add an emitter. I'll drop the number down to 200. I'll put the frame start at 0 and I'll make it end on frame 1. And we get something like this. Now I could probably play around with the source settings and add a little bit of jitter and things like that, but I'm interested in the render, so I'll come down to render, render as, and I'll change this to object. And I'll select the instance object as Suzanne the monkey. Now I could probably put the scale up ever so slightly and I can scale the randomness and we get something like this. And that's a perfect example of what I need to do here. So I'll make sure I select the Suzanne object. I'll then come to my shading tab and I'll add in a new material. I'll then press Shift and A and I'll search for object info. Now in some applications this actually gets called object ID. I'll then search for a colour ramp, so I'll look for colour ramp. And I'll take the randomness and I'll plug that into the factor. I'll then take the colour and I'll put that into the base colour and we get something like this. So pretty cool. So we can actually play around with some of these colours. So we can change this colour to, let's go for a blue. Let's add in another value. Let's change this to something completely random. And we'll do one more. Let's make it pink. And that's pretty much how you use the object info random with a colour ramp. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter, I've got a couple of mates now. You know what to do. Peace.